Hi everybody, it's Erica here from Discount Fabric Warehouse. I'm going to show you how to clean out your Pfaff embroidery or sewing machines. First, just remove your bobbin cover, take your screwdriver, put it in underneath this little lip, and you just pop your needle plate off. It's that simple. There's a little gray cover here. You're going to pull that out from the top, and then you can pull your bobbin and bobbin case out of your machine. And of course, right in here is where you're going to find all of that lint that builds up as you sew, and you want to get all of that out of your machine. This is what creates your machine to not sew very well if you keep it dirty. It also will dry up your machine. Sometimes you'll get thread underneath here, so you can use this part of the brush, and you can get underneath where your feed dogs are at. So now that we've got it all nice and cleaned up, you can also look at your bobbin case and clean that off a little bit as well. You definitely also want to make sure it's clean if you have a machine that has a thread sensor. If you don't have it clean, then it's not going to sense when your bobbin is running out. So another thing is, if you look here, it kind of looks like Batman ears. That's how I always like to think of it. Those are going to face up just like Batman's ears. You're going to slide it in and you see it lines up right here. Then you can take the little gray cover and then you're going to put the bottom part in first, lower that down in. Now on the needle plate itself, there's a little lip in the top. So you want to put that part in first. You're going to put that in here and then you just snap it down. And now you can load your bobbin just like you normally would in the machine. And now you're ready to sew again.